Okay, so then the next set of knowledge you need to understand, after you understand that there are abiotic and abiotic factors, you got that, and you got that there are levels of organization. The next thing you need to kind of think about is if organisms keep reproducing, there would not be enough space on Earth for all of these different kinds of creatures, for all the lions and elephants and all that. So if I open the classroom door, I should be like overrun with all kinds of species, all kinds of animals. There should be like so many camels out there, and so many horses, and so many sheep, and pigs, and chickens, and hey, they've been reproducing for millions of years. There should be tons of them. But why aren't we overrun by horses and camels? Why isn't the Earth overpopulated with all those creatures? And the answer is limiting factors. Limiting factors limit population growth. So what kind of limiting factors might bison have? Well, they might not have enough food to keep going, so they starve to death. Or they might run out of water, or there might be disease, or they might be hunted, or they might be competing with each other. Like, oh, hey, get out of my space, this is my spot. And then this guy has to go away and die on his own because he doesn't have a place to live. And so there are limits to population sizes, and these are called limiting factors. So limiting factors for the bison that are in this picture would be what? Lack of space, maybe competition. They compete with each other for a little bit of grass or a little bit of space. What else? Lack of water. Maybe it gets too hot during the summer and someone can't stand it and they die. And so limiting factors have limited the size of all populations, except for humans, because we're kind of tricky and we adapt the environment to suit us. So we build air conditioners and find new ways to grow plants. But limiting factors affect all living things except for us. And so limiting factors can be biotic. That means another living thing, like it could be a predator that hunts these guys and kills them. So that would be a limiting factor. Or it could be abiotic, such as lack of water and too much heat. So limiting factors, biotic limiting factors, living things that limit the population growth, and abiotic limiting factors. And all species have limiting factors. There's competition, there is predation. So limiting factors have made it so the Earth is not overrun with every kind of species.